Welcome to CBBN Fireproofing. CBBN delivers high-quality fireproofing of tunnels. By using innovative robot technology, CBBN's fireproofing method protects tunnel walls against the most intensive fuel fires, up to a temperature of 1350 degrees centigrade, the highest European Union safety standard, as well as the RWS curve. With success, this fireproofing was applied at earlier major construction projects, such as the Westerschelde Tunnel, also the Groene Hart Tunnel, an 8-kilometer high-speed train tunnel. Together, these projects covered over 400,000 square meters of tunnel wall. And now, the Hubertustunnel in The Hague, the Netherlands. As City of International Peace and Justice and Holland's government capital, The Hague's accessibility is vital for further growth. With a new ring road around the city centre, this city will significantly improve its mobility. With the Hubertustunnel, the North Ring will be completed. This twin-tube tunnel is the first bored tunnel in Dutch history running under existing residential areas and a city park. It must therefore comply with the highest safety standards. At nearly 2 kilometers long, the Hubertustunnel will be the longest city tunnel in the Netherlands. As partner in this project, CBBN Fireproofing was able to accelerate the entire fireproof coating process and complete work well within the overall planning. The fireproof coating process consists of 5 stages: preparation, cleaning, spraying, coating, and control. As first step, finned metal plates are installed to close all gaps and openings in the tunnel wall. With stainless steel anchors and a fireproof mortar, the initial foundation is set. Control pins are installed to monitor the exact thickness of fireproof layers at each stage. To create the right conditions for the fire coating to attach, the entire surface must be thoroughly clean. A robot cleans each tunnel section. Soap removes dust and dissolves grease on the tunnel's surface. By jetting hot, high-pressure water, the machine's automated rail guiding system ensures that no spots are missed. Due to this intensive cleaning, a separate reinforcement, such as wire netting, is no longer needed. Next, work continues with the application of 2 layers of fire-resistant plaster. For this purpose, CBBN developed a special robot to efficiently cover long tunnel sections. This spray robot never has to stop and can handle over 40,000 kilo of mortar in a single day. The fireproofing itself is an off-the-shelf cement-bound product, in which the quality of the coating is improved through additives. This machine controls every step in the process. By continuously checking weight, temperature and speed, an optimal mix is guaranteed. With this robot, CBBN specialists are able to cover over 40 meters of tunnel length per day and will cover 55,000 square meters in total. Nearing finalization, the bottom walls are coated. Starting at ground level to 4 meters above the road. As with all other layers, this coating provides maximum safety and resists fires up to 1350 degrees centigrade. To complete work, the entire tunnel is cleaned. During the entire fireproofing process, product and quality inspections are carried out by CBBN and external specialists. CBBN Fireproofing combines efficiency and quality in work, innovations that make tunnels considerably safer.